Hello families, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. Today we are making a spicy cow foot called Nkwobi. These are the ingredients that I'll be needing for this special delicacy. I want to blend the calabash nutmeg, which is also known as Ehuru. The cow leg is already washed, so I'm going to be adding it into the pot. After I must have added it into the pot, I'm going to be seasoning it. This is going to serve as natrum, which is account in Igbo language. So I'm going to be putting small. Yeah, when I add this to this meat, it will make it to get soft on time. It helps to soften meat. I've not yet added water to this meat. I only wanted to steam the meat before I can introduce water. The onions will be added at this stage. The essence of steaming meat before adding water is to help the meat to get done on time. The ingredients which you added is going to steam with the meat before you introduce water. After I must have steamed out the water from the meat, so I'm going to be adding now my own water. I need just enough water for a proper boiling. To add the pepper. I'm going to be checking it now. Boil for 30 minutes, half an hour, and it's not yet done. I'm going to boil this cow leg for an hour. So we have just 30 minutes left for the meat to be done. Remember, I added pepper when I started boiling the meat. So the pepper has already softened and it has also melted here. I'm going to be adding the calabash nutmeg now. The essence of boiling this meat with calabash nutmeg is to make sure that the taste of the calabash nutmeg gets in the meat. And I'll be testing it for salt. I just want to check if the meat is done. This shows that the meat is done, and you can see the water has thickened. So I'm just going to give it a little bit more boiling. At this stage, I'm going to be adding the Ugba. The essence of adding the Ugba at this stage is for it to boil a little bit and also to have a good taste of the meat water. So I just added it now. Allow it to simmer. After about 5 minutes, I'll be introducing the crayfish that I'm making use of. I want to add the dry Utazi. Feel free to use the fresh one. Oil comes in at this stage. If you can remember, I'm making use of this as account, which is also known as netrum. I'm going to be adding it now. The Nkwobi is as good as ready, and you have to also allow it to get cold before eating. It is now ready to be served. This method is the best method to cook this Nkwobi, because I added the Ugba on time, which means the taste of the Ugba is also going to be okay.